let's try on my 3 smallest dresses. For context, I am going on vacation to Marco Island, where the 10-day forecast temperatures are predicted to be somewhere in the 70s. So coming from Cape Cod in Massachusetts, where it has snowed every single weekend of 2026, these might feel a little summery for you if you are already prone to warmer weather and it's still wintry, but I'm gonna pair them with a sweater if they fit, and I'm hoping to be able to wear this kind of like an everyday over a bathing suit, because yes, no matter the temperatures, I will still be at a pool. This dress still has the tags on. I bought this at an online auction on Instagram, I believe, at a secondhand store, and I was convinced based on the measurements online that this Kate Spade was going to fit me. It retails for $468, went on sale for $328. I have no idea how much I paid for it because this was years ago. It is the leaf lace dress, fresh white, in a size 6. One of the reasons I've never been able to wear this dress is because of the bust. There is a button that cinches you in the middle, and I try this on probably every 6 months or so because I think the pattern on this is absolutely beautiful. It's never fit. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, I don't know how I feel about the belt. Feels like Southern Comfort Mama 90s to me. And in February, having my whole arms out without a tan on feels wild. Hang on, I need a sweater. I feel like because the buttons are this mother of pearl kind of like taupey tan that I could do my little cashmere wrap, this makes me feel way more comfortable and also gives me that layer of warmth that I'm seeking right now in the cold of this room. Oh, I think this is coming with me. We could go shopping in Naples in this dress. What do I do about the belt? Can you help me a little bit here? I don't know if I have anything to swap it out with. What does it look like just without? Plain? Could I just go plain without? If we were trying to go a little bougier, I could add a belt buckle here with my little Valentino belt. I might like that better. I don't know. Help. Up next on our list is the San Katie Performance dress from Vineyard Vines. This feels almost like athletic material. It's a size small, and I've worn this once with very intense Spanx, and it made like a nice hourglass shape, but I was still a little self-conscious because I have a bit of an apron tummy. That'll happen when you lose 150 pounds. So we're gonna try this on just with like a bra and undies and see if this could be an everyday with sandals option. I think we're in. I think we're in. Now, I don't know if this fabric is too clingy or not, but I feel like this is a perfect boat dress because it can get wet, it can get wrinkled, and nothing is gonna happen to it. I honestly wish I had maybe they'll do a sale and I can get some more prior to summer happening, just because you can go from this dress to the beach, to a restaurant, shopping, and still feel comfortable and confident in it. Right now I'm styling it so chicly with my Kate Spade slippers because my feet are freezing. Okay, but yeah, this is a definite yes. It will come with a bathing suit I'm bringing and could be worn on other days as well, so it should save me some space in my packing. I know this is only because I'm freezing and noticing it here, but the excess skin on my arms is starting to become more noticeable. It's okay. This is a navy stripe, not a black. One of the reasons I think I like it. I feel like you could dress this up, dress her down, you know? The next up is this beautiful eyelet dress, another Vineyard Vines choice. I don't know how much she cost. This is the eyelet maxi dress in the color white cap. She's a size 4. I don't think I've ever owned a 4. Certainly haven't fit into a 4. So, and that goes beyond high school. This one's a zip. I'm home alone. We'll see how it goes. I don't think this one works the same as the others. One, what is this? I hate this ribbon. I feel like if I tie it, I look like a flower girl. No, I love the dress, right? Picture this with my little Hermes sandals. Oh my gosh, one of my beaded bags, or a rattan bag. How cute. I couldn't get it zipped all the way because it falls into this weird, like, I can't reach to push it up. I can't grab it to pull it up, but I still think it would zip. Like, I think that's going to zip. I will say it's tight. It's tight here. Here, we're okay because it has like this internal waistband almost, like to hold you in. But up top feels a little tight. So I don't think I'll be bringing this one, which is okay because I think the Kate Spade one fits better, but also does the same job. But perhaps by summer this will work. If not, you'll see it on my Poshmark, okay? So I've had this one again for a couple of seasons. I probably bought this on like a Vineyard Vines sale without trying it on and then was not returnable. You know, those are the breaks. But yeah, this one isn't yet my favorite, and I think it's because of the bust, the tightness in the bust, which always tends to be a problem with smaller size dresses. Like, I want it to fit this way across the shoulder. I just unzipped it. I think that's a more flattering neckline for me than this. Thank you for trying these dresses on with me. I am now officially going to go pack. You can catch the whole packing vlog on. Thank you for being here. I love you, and I hope you are having a fantastic February. Stay warm.